This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Gina Dempsey. 2.50 acres of privacy. 2019 custom home under construction with all the bells and whistles. Luxury upgrades in this home, minutes from beaches and close to Orlando. Home is 4/3/3 with 11 feet soaring ceilings. Wonderful open floor plan, west/hardwood floors and porcelain tile. Modern gourmet kitchen, west/quartz countertops. Kitchen nook, living room, master and more, overlooks pool and beautiful property. This split/split plan offers privacy of master, west/double counters, walk-in closets, large garden tub, access from master to pool/entertainment area that overlooks the beauty of 300 acres that won't be built on. Wall-to-wall shower in master. Property has lakefront in front of house and gorgeous views of the preserve in the back. Show all your buyers looking for the perfect home and lakefront property. For more information